Welcome from Tossie Advisory Group. What's good, family? Let's talk real for a minute. As a trader, how many times have you caught yourself jumping from one strategy to another? One day you're scalping, next day you're trying to be a day trader, then you're swearing you're long-term until you see one red candle and you panic. You're switching time frames, flipping between 5 minutes and daily charts, trying to figure out why nothing seems to stick. We've all been there. But that constant switching? That's confusion disguised as progress. The market doesn't reward confusion. It rewards clarity. You are one decision away from peace. Either you're going to be a sniper who moves with precision, a swing trader who flows with the trend, or you're going to stay scattered, chasing everything and mastering nothing. This is the moment where you decide who you are in this game. The reason so many people keep switching is because they're still trying to find themselves. See, trading is more psychological than technical. It's not just charts and candles, it's emotions and discipline. You've got to learn you before you can learn the market. If you're working full-time, raising kids, or hustling on the side, you can't sit at your screen watching 1-minute candles all day. You need a system that fits your life, not one that drains it. That's what this is about. Finding your trading identity, your rhythm, your time frame. Because when you find your rhythm, everything slows down. The noise fades and the market starts making sense. Let's break it down. The scalper, the street fighter. The scalper wants action. You live in the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute charts. You're in and out. You're not waiting for confirmation or trend. You're catching volatility. You're looking for that moment when the market pops and you grab your profit before it breathes again. It's not for everybody. Scalping is adrenaline. It's quick thinking and faster reactions. You can't hesitate. You can't panic. If you blink too long, the move is gone. But if you can handle that pressure, if you love fast results, tight windows, and precision moves, then scalping might be your lane. Just understand, it's not about luck, it's about control. And if your emotions control you, this lane will chew you up and spit you out. The day trader, the chess player. The day trader's different. You still want action, but you crave order. You're thinking 5 moves ahead. You're living on the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour charts. You're watching how price forms, you're waiting for setups, and when the board lines up, you make your move. You're not trying to catch everything, you're waiting for the right opportunity. Day trading is for the thinkers, the planners, the people who can wait for the play to develop. You're not emotional, you're strategic. You might take 2 or 3 trades a day, sometimes just 1. But when you do, it's intentional. You're managing time, structure, and discipline. If you've ever worked a job where focus and timing mattered, construction, kitchens, management, you already have the mindset of a day trader. You just need to apply it to the charts. The swing trader, the smooth operator. Now we're stepping into my zone. Swing traders are patient. We move with the rhythm of the market, not the noise. We look at the 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily charts. We hold trades overnight, sometimes a few days, sometimes a week. We're not chasing, we're watching the story unfold. We know one red candle doesn't break a trend. We're focused on the big picture. Swing trading fits the people with lives outside the charts, the 9-to-5ers, the parents, the hustlers. You can check your setup before work, let the market do what it does, and come back at lunch or after hours to check progress. It's freedom. You let your money work while you do. That's how wealth starts growing, quietly, consistently, over time. The position trader, the long game builder. Position traders move like investors. We use the weekly, daily, 4-hour, and 1-hour charts together. That's called top-down analysis. We start big, we zoom in, and we let the market confirm what we already believe. Weekly charts tell you the overall trend. Daily charts confirm direction. 4-hour charts clean up the noise. 1-hour charts give you your entry. Each candle tells a story. The weekly candle is the novel. The daily candle is the chapter. The 4-hour is the page. The 1 hour is the paragraph. When you start thinking like that, you stop reacting to every flicker on your screen. You start seeing how the story unfolds over time. That's when you stop chasing profits and start building positions. Now let's talk about how this connects to you. If you've ever worked a job where you live paycheck to paycheck, you know the feeling of chasing money that's already gone. Trading can become the same trap if you don't slow down and build structure. Every trader needs patience, discipline, and self-control, the same traits you use to survive in real life. The same patience it takes to wait for your paycheck is the same patience it takes to wait for your setup. The same discipline it takes to stay out of debt is the same discipline it takes to stay out of bad trades. Trading isn't about being lucky. It's about being prepared. You've got to pick your lane. If you like the speed, the rush, the quick decisions, go be a scalper. If you like planning and executing precise plays, go be a day trader. If you like patience, rhythm, and consistency, go be a swing trader. If you believe in long-term growth and wealth, go be a position trader or investor. But stop trying to be all of them. You can't be a sprinter and a marathon runner at the same time. Pick one. Master it. Then scale it. The market will always test you. It will test your fear, your greed, your discipline, and your patience. But once you master your time frame, you master yourself. You'll stop panicking when the market moves against you because you'll understand the rhythm of your lane. You'll stop chasing alerts and start building conviction. That's how you build consistency. That's how you build confidence. That's how you build freedom. This is bigger than trading. This is about ownership. It's about learning how to make your money move while you sleep. It's about breaking cycles of fear and confusion, replacing them with structure and peace. You can't build generational wealth if you're emotionally trading every day. But once you build patience, once you commit to learning your craft, your charts become your business. Your account becomes your testimony. If this spoke to you, do 3 things. Like this video, it helps the movement grow. Comment what type of trader you are: scalper, day trader, swing trader, or position trader. And subscribe, because we're building real wealth for real people. This is your season to stop switching and start sharpening. Stop chasing hype. Start mastering your craft. When you find your time frame, you find your peace. When you master your time frame, you master your life. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Stay poor, hungry, and determined. Salute, family.